Hello everyone, it's Praise Gaming here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to flip animals over. I haven't made a video in a while guys, so now I'm bringing you this video. How to make animals flip over. You're going to have to get an envelope and name tags. Place the name tag in, then you have to type in dinner bone. Only the D is capital. And no spaces. Take it out because I could just spawn some sheeps right now. I don't need that much, but I like steak and stuff in stacks. You take the name tag. You press this PS3 version, by the way. So, but it still works on every console or PC. Take it for PS3. You press L2, and as you can see, the animals flip over. So guys, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And that is how you make animals flip over. See you guys. Bye bye.